18 species in genus Cotyledon. November 21st. Cotyledon, the succulent beauty, defines November 21st. Cotyledon symbolizes growth and resilience. You are adaptable and thrive even in harsh conditions. Like its thick leaves, you provide strength and support to those around you. My fascination with Cotyledon. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the unique beauty of succulents. Their fleshy leaves, adapted to survive arid environments, hold a certain fascination for me. Among my favorites is the genus Cotyledon, a diverse group of plants native to the dry regions of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, belong to the Crassulaceae family. The name Cotyledon comes from the Greek word kotyle, meaning cup or cavity, referring to the cupped shape of their leaves. These leaves come in a variety of forms, from the rounded, almost coin-like foliage of Cotyledon orbiculata to the elongated, finger-like leaves of Cotyledon tomentosa. This diversity is part of what makes this genus so captivating. A closer look at Cotyledon. Cotyledon species are subshrubs, meaning they have a woody base with succulent branches. This growth habit allows them to withstand harsh conditions, storing water in their leaves and stems to survive periods of drought. Their flowers, which typically appear in the summer, are bell-shaped and hang in clusters from the ends of long stalks. These blooms add a splash of color to the often stark landscapes where these plants thrive. One of the things I find most interesting about Cotyledon is the sheer variety within the genus. Here are Cotyledon orbiculata. Cotyledon orbiculata, commonly known as the pig's ear plant, is a succulent native to South Africa. This perennial features thick, fleshy, rounded leaves that can grow up to 4 inches long, often with a slight reddish tint at the edges, especially in bright sunlight. In late spring to summer, it produces clusters of tubular, orange, or yellow flowers that attract pollinators. This resilient plant thrives in well-draining soil and prefers full sun, making it an excellent choice for rock gardens or containers. Its striking foliage and unique blooms make it a popular choice among succulent enthusiasts. Plant FAQs. Cotyledon orbiculata, pig's ear plant. Cotyledon tomentosa. Cotyledon tomentosa, also known as bear's paw, is a charming succulent distinguished by its fuzzy, paw-like leaves that can grow up to 4 inches long. Each leaf is thick and rounded, typically with a light green to grayish hue and reddish tips, giving it an adorable appearance. This species produces bright orange to yellow tubular flowers that bloom in late spring or early summer, adding a splash of color to any garden. Bear's paw prefers well-draining soil and a sunny location, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Its unique texture and form make it a favorite among collectors. Plant FAQs. Cotyledon tomentosa, bear's paw. Cotyledon pendens. Cotyledon pendens, known as the trailing pig's ear, is a distinctive succulent characterized by its sprawling growth habit. It features elongated, fleshy leaves that can grow up to 6 inches long, often displaying a bluish-green color with a slight reddish tint along the edges. This species is notable for its ability to cascade over the sides of pots, making it an excellent choice for hanging arrangements. In late summer, Cotyledon pendens produces clusters of bell-shaped, yellow flowers that attract various pollinators. It thrives in well-draining soil and full sun, making it a great addition to succulent gardens or containers. Cotyledon campanulata. Cotyledon campanulata, commonly referred to as the bell-shaped cotyledon, is a succulent native to South Africa known for its unique bell-like flowers. This species features fleshy, green leaves that can grow up to 3 inches long and are often slightly hairy, giving them a textured appearance. The flowers, which bloom in clusters during late spring to early summer, are tubular and can range in color from yellow to red, resembling small bells. Cotyledon campanulata prefers well-draining soil and full sun, thriving in dry conditions. Its striking blooms and compact growth habit make it an attractive choice for succulent arrangements and rock gardens. See full list at monsterholic.com. Cultivating Cotyledon. My own experience with cultivating Cotyledon has been incredibly rewarding. These plants are relatively low maintenance, requiring well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and infrequent watering. I find it satisfying to provide the right conditions for these resilient plants to thrive. Propagating Cotyledon is also quite simple. usually done through leaf or stem cuttings. I've successfully propagated several of my plants this way, expanding my collection and even sharing cuttings with friends. The allure of succulents. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, I'm drawn to succulents like Cotyledon because they represent resilience and adaptability. Their ability to flourish in harsh conditions serves as a reminder that beauty can be found even in the most unexpected places. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I highly recommend exploring the world of Cotyledon. Their unique forms, vibrant flowers, and ease of care make them a wonderful addition to any plant collection.